Hello everybody, and into this video I will guide you how to buy Brawl Pass with Paysafecard. Unfortunately, directly buying Brawl Pass with a Paysafecard within Brawl Stars might not be possible in all regions. Paysafecard isn't universally supported as a direct payment method in games. Here are the two alternative approaches to consider. Number one is use Paysafecard to purchase a Google Play gift card for Android devices. Buy a Google Play gift card. So locate a retailer that sells Google Play gift cards and use your Paysafecard to complete the purchase. Then open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner and select Payment and Methods. Choose Redeem Gift card or code, and then you just have to enter the code from your Google Play gift card you bought. So purchase the Brawl Pass. Within the redeem balance in your Google Play account, you can now open Brawl Stars and navigate to the Brawl Pass purchase section. The funds from your Google Play balance should be available for the purchase. All you have to do then is just to purchase the pass. So number two is to check third-party retailers. It's not recommended, but yeah, this is how it is. I will just guide you for those two particular methods. Be cautious with the third-party retailers offering in-game purchases with alternative payment methods like Paysafecard. These sellers may not be legitimate and could result in scams or compromised accounts. It's generally safer to stick to official channels like Google Play Store and Apple Store for in-app purchases. Remember that even using a Google Play gift card may have regional limitations depending on where your Paysafecard is issued and where your Google Play account is registered. For alternative methods, explore alternative payment methods directly supported by Brawl Stars in your region. This may include credit cards, debit cards, or carrier billing if available. If you're unsure about supported payment methods in your region, consider contacting Brawl Stars customer support for clarification. That's basically it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.